Hi, my name's Jeremy Davis. I love Star Wars. My best friend is Bill. His name is so silly. Other than that, I'm a comic book collector. I like grilled cheese and I don't know what else to tell you about me. Oh yeah, my mom and dad, they're really tall and ugly. And my mom has, it's true though, my mom has brown hair and my dad has like this reddish, orange, blondish kind of hairy stingy, whatever. And I, as you can see, I'm a baldy. I take after Caillou. Is that my mom? Okay, never mind. You know what? I'm really, hungry right now. So, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat a grilled cheese! We have some left over on the counter. Come on. Okay, I'm here with the grilled cheese. And you know what? Why is this on my face? Why is this on my face? That was a nasty chocolate that my brother Kevin threw at me. Oh wait, his name's not Kevin, that's Matthew. Matthew, get your ass back in bed! What the do you think you're doing out here?